Ngiva ngijabule kakhulu nangibona abafana. More especially the girl child bedlala i-football. Because I am a testimony of women football now. The program lena siqale 2016. Siqala netikolo leti 10 and the schools now have gone up to 17. Ngithanda nje ukubonga bothishela labangibambisako because nangithi uyezwa na ngale program sithengisa and basiva ukuthi ngikuphi lapho sibheke khona because of thinking lesinato women football locally na continental i-performance yethu lengahambi kahle and ngithanda nje ukubonga ukuthi ever since siqalile le program nani kunenge sikubonako because sinawonya le under 15 girls, under 17, le under 20 and all these players babuya from this program. Ngithanda ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngalendlela engiqhubeka ngayo ngiqhubeke ngisupport. You've been so supportive since 2016 nalanza nalabanye bothishela ukuthi bathenge le program lenginayo. I believe football, the future of football is feminine.